Hi, and for those of you who don't know who I am, I'm Jeep, and welcome to my channel, Roam with Jeep, which I started a few months after the pandemic hit. There was no way I was just going to sit at home. With travel restrictions, I decided to explore my own backyard. Since then, I've found and shared all sorts of camping adventures and amazing overnight stays, and I encourage you to do the same. You never know what adventures you may find.
Take me to a parking spot, I'm assuming. I see a zebra. Alright, so there was a little black book here with instructions and rules. And we've got animals.
The wind is getting crazy outside, so we're going to go and check things out before it gets too crazy. And then we're going to head back in. Not sure if I'm going to start a fire tonight just because the wind is just everywhere. Unexpected stuff, and that's okay. It's what happens. But I get to enjoy the inside here and all that good stuff. So let's get started with the tour. We're going to go on the property and just look around. And yeah, so let's go ahead and take a look to see what's around. Zebra and a llama. There's some other animals I saw, so we're gonna go check them out too. Hey, how you doing? Can't touch you. Y'all want to see the kangaroo? And lemurs, ringtail lemurs. Hey, the kangaroo. Look, there's just a rabbit sitting in the corner by himself. Did you see the lemur jump on the kangaroo? That was hilarious. Ah, they're coming this way. Dude, this is so cool. It's a serval cat. I've never seen one in person. Let's take a look at it. Hey. That's beautiful. I've never seen animals more happy. Hey, what's up? He's showing off. He's following me here. Can't touch you. Our mission is to find the Bigfoot statue. And if we don't find it, oh well. But we're gonna try and look to see if we find it. We're gonna go this way. I know where I'm going. Road. The gates to heaven. Yes. Do I have the passage? Yes, I do. And guess what we found? Bigfoot! The one thing I like about finding places like this is I'm always surprised by something. It's either one thing or another, but this place seemed kind of small at the beginning just from the photos that I saw, but it turns out that it's a huge place. If you look around, it's just beautiful, surrounded by trees everywhere.
Go check this restaurant out. The Cowboy. Definitely rustic looking.
They also hold weddings here at this ranch. It's like Christmas here still. This is where the axe throwing happens right here. Little fire pit area. Okay, so I'm gonna head back. I'm not sure what the plan is, but I think I'm gonna try to look for somewhere to eat. And that means going out of the ranch and going into town. All right, I made it back. I'm gonna take my shoes off. It's gotten really windy outside. Oh yeah. It's probably around 42 degrees outside. And in here, it's super warm. So yeah, it feels really good. I found a place to eat and I'm headed back. Hello! I'm just taking this sweater off because it's getting a little warm. Yeah, smash. I'm gonna go ahead and head to bed. I'll see you guys in the morning. For the most part, I slept really well last night. There were some coyotes and the dogs that were on the property were barking at them. It was nice to feel safe. So yeah, awesome experience. And if you want to check this place out, go ahead and leave a comment below and I'll send you a link to it. And now I'm ready to go. I'll see you next time on Roam with Jeep.